to Tash Life 2. Today we are going to be dehydrating some more lemons, and then we're going to be making some lemon powder. So let's get into it. So I've washed these lemons. I just bought these ones because I couldn't get my hands on any on the side of the road or anything this year. What I might do is bring them in close, then we'll get into it. I'm just going to slice these up. Take the seeds out. I hope they're not all going to have this many seeds. Okay, we got there in the end. Look how many seeds. Not all lemons have that many seeds, but sometimes they do. So we're just going to put the lid on that and turn it on. I'll wait till after the video to turn it on because it makes noise. And I'll come back tomorrow morning and show you what that looks like. And in the meantime, I'll just clean this up and then we'll make the lemon powder. Okay, so I'm using the big blender because I still haven't sorted out my grinder situation. And these are the lemons that we dehydrated last week or a fortnight ago. They're still nice and dry. So I'm just going to break them a little bit as I put them in. Okay, and we'll go over to the grinder and the blender, sorry, and blend these up. Okay, so we've we've blended that all up, and you can see it's kind of sticky, it's all stuck to the edges. And we're just going to put it on this tray with baking paper, and I have preheated the oven to 50 degrees, which is the lowest pretty much that I can do. And this is parts of like the pith. You can probably strain this out if you want, but this is why I like the grinder better, because it doesn't do this. It grinds it all up nicely. So we're just going to dehydrate that in the oven the second time. So I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to turn everything off, so there's no fan, there's no heat. It's just the residual heat of the lowest temperature that I could preheat it to. Like when it's cooled down, I'll take it out, and then when it's cooled down, I'll come back and show you and put it in a jar. And yeah, I'll see you then. Okay, now this has completely dried, cooled, and it's sort of a bit stuck on there like that. And you just separate it up. Just caught the cat trying to eat my dinner. Okay. That's not working. Okay. Complete mess. That's okay. My bench is clean, so it's perfectly okay to chuck that in. Now I'll just have to keep an eye on it. It is quite sticky still, but see how it's moving quite easily. I mean, I can easily get it off and shake it around. If it starts to go hard and solid and stuck to the bottom and I can't just get it off like that, I need to do this one again. But yeah, hubby will be happy. He's got his lemon powder back. I'll come back tomorrow morning and show you the dehydrated lemon, and I'll see you then. Okay, so I did turn this off earlier this morning and it is now after lunch. Let's just open it up and see what everything in here is like. So, I mean, everything's done all the way through. It's hard, it's brittle. So we can start putting them in. There we go. So that will fit in there now, nicely sealing. Go. And I just keep an eye on it. I make sure it's not going sticky. We'll probably end up blending it up before that happens anyway. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.